Whew. As much as I would have loved to film today, last video, we kind of had a disaster in the Shanks shack. Big mess, and I had to clean it up today. Spent probably the last 3 hours mopping. Check it out, boys. Whoa! There's a couple spots I need to actually like use some cleaner on it now to actually get it to shine again. It's gonna be really hard to do it with water and a little bit of soap. Look at that! The best part about this was dudes was in my DMs critiquing my mopping. Congrats, mopping enthusiasts. Today for you, but tomorrow for me. I'm gonna get started on the Miata hardtop. I gotta organize the rest of this garage. I still gotta show you guys my Evo's wheels. Oh well. So, we have got to fix the hardtop on Jaren's Miata. Oh God, it's so swirly and bad. This doesn't fit perfectly, so it just needs to be adjusted, and this has to be fixed with some fiberglass. Somebody also sent Jaren some kind of part or something cool to my PO box, so she'll open that when she gets here. Anyways, cue the next day, 3, 2, 1, tomorrow.
The next.
So what I was gonna do was cut out a little hole, not a hole, but like cut out the broken fiberglass. All the stores I went to, they were out of fiberglass, like the kitty hair repairs. So I've gotta just do regular body filler, which will still work, but I definitely preferred fiberglass on fiberglass. I've had to let some goo sauce kind of sit on this, some anti-goo sauce, because there's like some like dried tape or glue or something on this. I'm gonna scrape that off, and then I'm gonna just shave it down. I got some assorted sandpaper. So we're gonna go from 80 all the way up to like 320 and so on. Probably finish off with like 600 or so. I'm gonna go ahead and do some sanding, get this at least leveled out, then bond the two together. I'm gonna change though, I don't wanna get this dirty. I ripped these pants coming out of the AMG today, so these don't matter anymore. Here we go, boys. Fat Daddy, small shirt. This is cringe, but it's gotta be done. So I don't know exactly how much fiberglass we have to work with. And so this, at least it's a smooth surface now. I wanted to get the paint off. I'm probably gonna do a little bit more sanding with a higher grit pad just to get a little bit more area of no paint and then exposed fiberglass. Normally what I would do if I had fiberglass is I would actually like probably cut a hole out of it and then like tape it, do some sort of like bedding, and then put kitty hair fiberglass on it and then shave it down. But I'm just gonna do a body bond right now. Here we go. Well, I did it, oopsie, and I forgot to record me making a mess. So basically I just did a nice thick coat, and I'm gonna have to grind off pretty much all of this. But honestly, I'm really just trying to like repair the crack. I'll have to end up making it real smooth. Bondo is super interesting. You have to start with a pretty heavy grit. Fiberglass or regular just body panel filler, whatever, or not, you've got to go ahead and sand it down, and then once you get it sanded, you gotta use a block. Yo, hold up. That's the fit. That's the fit of all time. You guys. Oh my God. I don't even remember giving you that.
I don't remember getting it either.
Dude, so I'm pretty sure I made this shirt, I was probably like 2015.
The armpit stain.
What do you think, babe? Oh, she's eating. Got the armpit stain. I think Victoria made me take the pea stain out.
There's a pea stain?
I used to have a pea stain.
On it. Oh, that's just mean. That would have been perfect.
That's a nice shirt.
I don't know how.
Man, that is awesome.
This is like
what a fit, bro. With the matching cleats. Jeez, bro.
This is my new favorite outfit.
So I'm working on the hardtop. It's going pretty well. So go check it out.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Pretty much repaired the crack. What I did was I just took, it's called Bondo, but it's just a body filler. I smeared it on there. Okay. I sanded it down. We gotta figure out what the hell's in that box though. I'm waiting for you to come over to see what in the world somebody sent you.
I wanna know too.
All right, I'm gonna take my mask off. This is my fit. This is my fit today. All right, let's check this out. Go get it. That's your box right there.
I know.
Why are you scared?
Do you know what it is?
I literally have no clue. Zero idea. We checked our P.O. box Yeah, I know. Like, they sent it to you. We checked our P.O. box yesterday, and they just, like, it was there. So, zero clue what this is. Let me get you something to open it with. Here you go, I suppose.
It's my time to shine.
I would cut like the tape parts and then we can just rip that. I literally have no idea. It could be like fragile. Somebody could have pooped in a box and sent it to you. Like, you're not to the point where people hate you yet, so you're at a good spot right now. They're just sending you cool stuff.
I'm so scared.
What is this?
I'm scared.
What in the world? Do not bend. What the hell? This is like very carefully packaged.
What is that?
I don't know. For a wing? Did somebody send you a, I don't know, dude.
I'm scared.
What? What? I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, dude. Did somebody send you a wing? Like, it's not, there's, I think,
Oh.
what is it?
I don't know. There's a, do you want to open that?
You got it, it's all you. Hey, Jaren. Damn, I don't even get stuff that cool.
What?
See, people love you. There you go. Uh-oh.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh my god.
There's your stuff, there's your stickers.
That makes me
There's a
so
Miata sticker for you, just for you.
When Evan revealed that you were building a Miata, we both thought we've got to center some parts.
Oh, it's a little splitter. Does it work for this bumper though? That's actually kind of neat. That's pretty cool. I don't know if that's gonna fit your bumper though. We can probably make it fit. That's for something else. Did you bring your other parts that you have?
The box is on right.
All right, cool. Well, that's neat. We can definitely, next time it's up, we can figure out if it fits on your bumper. I'm sure it can and I'm sure it will, but people are nicer to you than they are to me. That's good.
Cool.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for loving my sister. Jaren got the craziest little mod. You guys are gonna think this is hilarious. Let's see it. Oh! No crude jokes, guys. This is actually really cool. For all of the, let's say, toy shift knob looking things, this is probably one of the coolest. That looks super sick. Like a tattoo like that would be kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you literally just twist it off and then twist it on. It's for Miata, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Oh my God.
Is it going on?
Yeah, it's going on. I like the way, dude, I like the light coming through on that. That's nice.
And if you look at it from the top, there's just a flower. It's pretty.
Aw. that's actually pretty cool. Did a little bit of blocking and felt and saw that this was the high spot here. So now I am going to just do a little bit more sanding and finish this up. You'll be able to see all of this after it's painted / wrapped. So I gotta make sure I smooth that up. I'll just take the 320 and probably hit some spots with a 600 after. I still need to do this spot right here. That'll be simple. So the lower the number, the more aggressive it is. So feel it. Feel like 80 grit. That's very sandy. Now feel 220. So it's like a little bit less abrasive. So the lower the number, the more it's gonna cut away at this. Do you wanna try it?
Sure. I'm scared.
You don't wanna do it?
I'm scared. I can, but I'm scared.
This is a really small area, so it's weird. So you gotta make sure that it only hits like, you're gonna using this, or you can do it like this, but just make sure you don't hit the windshield,
Okay.
the window. And I also taped this off so it didn't like ruin the trim. 80 grit, all you gotta do is like, see how I just like even it out a little bit? You wanna hit it or no? I'm gonna take that as a no.
That's intense.
Now feel 320.
Oh wow.
So it just gets softer
like-
and softer as you
it's
go.
like almost smooth.
You can get up to like 4,000, 6,000,
What?
8,000. It's like, basically it doesn't feel like sandpaper at all anymore after that.
4,000.
How nifty does that look now?
It looks beautiful.
So good, huh?
It looks so pretty. The sad face really adds extra spice though. I need to add another one. Oh, it's yummy. No, we're gonna keep it like that.
You gotta get the sad face off. You have 2 sad faces?
I just did it.
Oh,
I
okay.
needed one last one.
Hey, what?
It's a little crusty in here.
Yeah.
Do I spray it on?
Yeah, you spray it on the glass.
It did. It did. Oh, it's, yeah.
Oh, gross. Yuck. That's nasty. It smells good, yeah?
Yeah, it smells
It
really
smells like glass cleaner, probably.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nasty, huh?
Oh. Oh, that looks bad.
Yeah. Speaking of looking good, check this boy out. Look at that, dude. We are in the money, ready to wrap. You feeling good down there? Doing all right? Now when you're done wiping all of it, turn it around and wipe it with the other side.
My neck needs a break.
Dude, you're pretty good at this. You could start a window wiping company.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's much better. Yeah. It's crazy how good it is. So now I'm just gonna clean this up because we got nasties all over the place. Look at that, dude. It's like a whole different, it's like a whole different.
You could look that good.
Yeah, oh yeah. It was just dust. So now we can get it back on the car. I need to try and fix and realign this, or both of them. And it should be all good. So we gotta figure out how these lock in together. I gotta adjust those little guys. So it's gotta be down, obviously, and then it probably needs to move like back. I don't even know, how does this guy move? Hello. There we go, now try and push it forward. It's gotta lock in. So is it locked in? Yeah, that was our issue.
A few moments later.
Well, here's a huge oof, guys. We're setting it on, and I guess it readjusted. And it just broke it again. So, that's awesome.
So unfortunate.
Well, and then we got a new little buddy right here. So this little guy was brittle and might have had some body work done to it before, but dude, dude, no. I think I'm gonna cry.
It's okay.
My motivation's now not there anymore. It's non-existent. Champagne without the sham.
On the bright side, I like the beard you've got going on.
Thanks.
Looks nice.
Does?
Yeah.
Victoria doesn't like it.
Nice.
That's probably because she doesn't like to kiss me with it. T-pain without the T.
Is that what you've been thinking of this whole time?
Yeah, I was trying to think of something else. Hold up. We're looking at this stuff again, and what?
Even?
Even? Even? They spelled my name even. They spelled your name correctly.
That's a first.
Out of all names, my name is right there. It's literally my What?
Oh my god.
Later.
Oh, I just did so much sanding. Went back and fixed it for the last time while it was on the car. Whole car's dirty, but that's okay because it's about to be cleaned off because it's about to get wrapped. I fixed it one last time. It's nice and smooth. It should be just fine. It's gonna be liquid wrapped like some of my other cars, so it should go over it and not show any imperfections. It's gonna be prone to cracking. It's gonna still be prone to cracking a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit more fine shaving there, but it's probably gonna be prone to cracking a little bit in the future, but I mean, it is what it is. You guys gotta keep this a secret with me. She usually doesn't watch till the end, so you guys gotta keep this a secret for me, okay? Because while this video is live, the car's currently getting wrapped. Some really cool news. First off, my signature wheels, my first ever signature wheels, my first set, just came off the CNC yesterday, so that's a big deal. Also today, I dropped off an envelope to Zor that had the gender of Victoria's and my baby in it. So they are currently getting that figured out and squared away, and we'll be doing the gender reveal here very soon. I'm super excited for that. Chose the R33. We're gonna be doing that, using that car for the burnout. Ethan's gonna come and up the boost so we can do some wild second gear two-step and just a really good, just build boost and just roast the tires. So I am really stoked about that. And we had a doctor's appointment recently where we did find out, or The doctor found out and then wrote down the baby's gender and put it in an envelope and yada, yada, yada. But the baby's healthy, heartbeat is good. And I'm really thankful for that this time around because like 2020 was a hard year for us. We lost 2 babies. And it was something like we were kind of PTSD. We didn't want it to happen again, obviously, because it's a horrible thing. I am really excited. This type of gender reveal is something that I have honestly wanted to do for probably 10 years now. I saw it one time back in like 2010. And I was like, that's what I'm gonna do whenever I have a kid. With that information I just imparted on you, don't let life's big downers stop you from what you really wanna do. The worst thing you can do is stop trying and stop believing and stop going. Because that is the only guaranteed way that you'll never make it to where you want to be. And that's it. So I love you guys so much. I kind of dirtied my good, I don't know how to say good clothes. I don't have any good clothes. I'm nasty. I hate sanding, but we're good. We're done. And the car is about to get wrapped. So peace. You guys have an amazing day. Catch you later. Hey, I got 2 videos. I got 2 videos for you guys. Okay? What I need you to do is watch them. Watch those 2 videos. And subscribe. And make sure the turn on the notification bell. Okay, have a good day, bye.